Hello again, everybody. It's Steve Grizzetti, co-founder of MoviePix.com and author of the MoviePix.com Guide to Adobe Photoshop Elements. And here we are in Photoshop Elements 2023 looking at some of the new features in the program. One of the most powerful new features in Adobe Photoshop Elements is its ability to interface with and upload to the cloud. And the cloud is, of course, storage space or a website where you can keep your media and then access your media from any place in the world. You can access it with your phone. You can access it with any computer that you're logged into the cloud with. Now, to access the cloud interface, I just go down to the bottom of Photoshop Elements and click on the Elements Web button here at the bottom. And this will open up my browser. And in my browser, I can see all the media that I've uploaded here to the cloud. I can also add media to the cloud by clicking on the Add button here, and that will open up a browser to my hard drive where I can grab media and store copies of it up here on the cloud. If I want to know how much storage space I have, I can click on the little cloud icon here in the upper right-hand corner, and that will show me how much room I have to store my pictures or my media. I can also put video up here. If I select a photo by clicking on the little checkbox in the upper left-hand corner, I will have options here to create. And create means to, say, for instance, create a slideshow in the organizer if I were to select several of these photos. I can share the photo to Facebook or by email, or I can save a link to the photo and email that, or I can delete the file. To get the media to my device or to my computer, let's go back here to Photoshop Elements. I would go to the Organizer, which is the companion program that comes bundled with Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements. I can do that by clicking on this little button here at the bottom of the program. Open the Organizer. And here in the Organizer, I have not only the ability to upload to the cloud by clicking on this button here in the lower center of the program. I can upload to the cloud. I can import media or get media down from the cloud, or I can just open that web page also from here. I can also import media by going to the Import button in the upper left of the program and selecting the option to import from the cloud. And here I'll see all the media that I've stored on the cloud, and I can select it and actually import it or download it to my hard drive. And I can choose the location on my hard drive where all the media comes to. But the cloud is a way to not only safely store your media, it's also a way so that wherever you are, any place in the world, on any device that's logged into the cloud, you'll have access to that media. You'll be able to upload things there or download things and be able to work on them or edit them in a program like Photoshop Elements or use them in Premiere Elements. If you want to know more about Photoshop Elements, check out the many tips and tutorials we have at MoviePix.com and also on YouTube. If you want to know every single thing there is to know about Premiere Elements or Photoshop Elements, check out the books, the MoviePix.com Guide to Adobe Photoshop Elements or MoviePix.com Guide to Premiere Elements. Those are both available at Amazon.com. I'm the guy who wrote the book. My name's Steve, and I hope to see you at MoviePix. Take care.